All right, welcome back. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the top menu here, so the top bar, and we're going to cover the home menu. But what I want to do is I want to use this project that we grabbed as a template as an example of how you can utilize a lot of these tools, because what happens is when you are using a project that's blank, especially for me, it's harder for me to explain stuff with no content. So that's why I wanted to have a template here, just so that you have a visual of, okay, this is what he's talking about. Because I can tell you a story and take you on a ride, so to speak, of, well, this is what you could do, but it's easier if I just show you. Okay. So in the top bar here, okay, so first things first, I can switch ribbons. So if I click on this, this will shrink the home menu and all the menus here, and it will just show icons. Okay. So we have a different pool of options here when we do that, and it's basically just icons. When I click this, what it does is it expands that out, and we have a few more options to work with. Okay. So you are free to use whatever layout you like better. Okay. If you like this layout better, where you click on switch ribbons, okay, it's going to be more compact and more in line with what you're going to use. And the more options are here. Okay, so not all the options are going to show up. So actually, let's use this one. I think it's a little more compact and it's a little easier to explain different tools. All right, so let's talk about each one of these individually. So for the first one we have is undo. Okay, so we have undo and redo. All right, so if I go here and you see we have project status report, I highlight that and delete it. Okay, um, I can come here and I can undo that. Okay, I can click here and I can redo that. Okay, and then I can undo it again. All right, now with this, we can cut, copy, and paste. So let's highlight this. So let's cut this. Let's paste it. Okay, so I'm going to use Command V on the Mac. You can use Control V on the PC to paste. And then we can also do, if I highlight this, then I can copy. Okay, so that's how you cut, copy, and paste. All right, so next up we have the, let's close out of that one. We have the Format Painter. Okay, so if I click on this, it will allow me to basically highlight an area, or not really highlight an area, but paint this here. Okay, so if I do Command Z to undo that, basically what we did is we took this format. So we did Format Painter. So I selected this, okay, and then I painted here. Okay, so I took this formatting and I painted here. So basically I just copied the painting over. Not the painting, but the formatting. I painted the formatting over. Okay, if I can spit it out. Bear with me. All right, so now we're going to talk about the fonts here. So how do I change a font? So if I double click on project status report, there's a couple ways to do it. If I unclick on that and then just click again, this is going to pop up. So I have kind of like this quick menu bar to edit real quick. Okay. If I click off of it, that disappears. So I'm going to double click on all this, and then I'm going to go up here to Franklin Gothic, and let's change that to Arial Black. Okay. Let's change the font to 24. Now, if you want to increase the font, you can do it here, grown font size. We can decrease, okay? We can make it bold. We can make it italic, and we can underline it. We can highlight it, make it yellow, and then make the text red. Of course, we have to have it highlighted in order to do that. So it's highlighted now, so if I change it now, it's red and yellow. okay? And then we can clear formatting, okay? I can undo that with Command Z because I want to keep the formatting. If I click on the three dots here, we can do more font options. So we can do strike through, but I have to select it first, and then I can do strike through, okay? Then we have subscript, superscript, and then change case. So we can do sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. So we can do like this. So let's try that. See if it works. Let's just capitalize each word. I don't know why that's not working. That's fine. You get the idea. Okay. Then we have bullets. So you can do, so I can make a list or bullet points here. So let's just do this one. We'll use bullet points for that one. We can also number this. Okay. And then you can change the numbering, so you could do different types of numbers. You can do ABC, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and then Roman numerals and capital letters. And you can do it in different formatting. So this is a way to kind of format it in different ways. And you can also do none. Okay. Then we can do decrease indent, increase indent, and then text align. So we can do left, center, right, justify. We can do styles. So this is kind of a created styles in Word. And so you can use any of these styles you want to style different sections of text. Okay, so obviously for this, we want to keep it normal. Okay, because this is just text, but this is a header, right? So you could change that. So that's a heading one, which they already have. Okay. Then we can find, so we can search for, you can do headings, you can find and replace. Okay. Then we can reuse files. Okay. So if we have any files here and we want to reuse them, you can do that there. We can, let's block that for a second. I turned off microphone permissions because I accidentally clicked on this. So we can dictate. So what that will do is if I turn this on, when I start talking, it will hear what I'm saying and then start typing out what it hears. Okay. And then you can transcribe what you say as well. Okay. So this is great for if you're creating videos like what I'm doing right now. I'm creating a course and I'm recording myself. And so if I wanted to transcribe myself, I could literally use Microsoft Word to do that. Okay. With dictate and transcribe. Okay. Then we have editor. So with editor, we can look at editor score. So calculate at 100 words. What corrections do we have? What grammar? Those are all checked. So that means that they've gone through the checks. Refinements. Okay. And then text predictions. Okay. Document stats, enhancements, and then give feedback to Microsoft. So we can give feedback to them if we want to. So that's the editor. And then you have more options here with the three dots. We can do line spacing, special indent, left to right text direction, right to left text direction, show and hide the paragraph icon here, and then paragraph options. Okay. So there you go. So that's the home menu. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.